Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Gagan and today I'm going to discuss Salesforce CPQ percentage of total. Percentage of total is a type of pricing in Salesforce CPQ and that's we are going to discuss in this tutorial. So what is percentage of total? So percentage of total is a type of pricing calculation of a product and the price of that product will be calculated based on the percentage of total price of the product which is in the cart. To understand this, let's take an example. You're going to buy a AC and the price of the AC is 1000 pound and you ask that company, can you please give me the service of installation of that AC that I'm purchasing? So they said yes, okay, we can provide the installation service, but you have to pay some charges of installation, and calculation of the installation charges are based on the price of the AC. So they are saying if your price of your AC is 1000 pounds, then you have to give 5% of 1000. So this is called percentage of total. So the total price of your product is 1000 pound which you are purchasing, right, as a AC, and the installation charge will be 5% of whatever you're paying for the AC. So this is called percentage of the total pricing method in Salesforce CPQ. So how to execute this? So there are like two steps that you have to do. First is you have to change the pricing method. Pricing method is a field on the product object, and you can just change this to percentage of total. And then there's another field called percentage of total where you can put the percentage, how much percentage charges you wanted to calculate for that product out of total net price. So in order to discuss that, these are the number of fields that you should know while you're configuring the percentage of total. So let's go to my Salesforce CPQ environment so that I can show you how to configure percentage of total. So I already created one product called AC. Okay, this is just a normal product. Okay, and the pricing method is list price. And here in the later tab, I have added one standard price book. And the standard price book, the price is 5,000. Let's change this price to 1,000. So I'm changing this to 1,000. So price of this AC is 1000. Now I'm going to create a new product called AC installation. Click new and AC installation. Mark this active and I'm clicking save. So I have created another product called AC installation. And as I said in my PPT, to configure this type of pricing, you have to change the pricing method to percentage of total. So I am going to click this edit button and then I will change this to percentage of total. And I want the AC installation charges will be the 5% of AC cost. I'm putting 5% here, click save. And as we know that the products in the Salesforce CPQ only visible if there is a standard price book. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm going here and clicking price book and putting the price 100. You will be saying what is the value of this 100 pound when the price is coming as a percentage of AC product, which is a different product, right? And then why we are putting 100, I will tell you in some time what is the value of this standard price book during the calculation of percentage of total. So now let's go to one opportunity, duplicate, and I will go to one opportunity and create a code. So let's take this test one, and I'm taking this code which is already been created. I will click edit lines. So here I'm going to add two products called AC and AC installation. So there are two products. AC is the normal product which have the pricing method as a list pricing, and AC installation have pricing method as price of total. So now I am adding both of this product in my quote line item. And here you can see the price of the AC installation is 50, which is 5% of 1000. Okay, so that's why the AC installation price is coming, because we have configured the pricing method of this AC installation as a price of total, right? I will show you again. Here we have choose this percentage of total, not price of total, percentage of total, and the price is coming as 5%. That's why the price is coming as 50%. If I will change this to 10%, then it will come as a 100 pounds. So now there's a problem here in this configuration. If I will add some other random product, right? Click select. This 5%, this has been increased from 50 to 300. Why? Because this is configured to calculate based on the total price of the card. Okay, so the total price is 1000. 1000 plus 500 is 1500, and 5% of 1500 is 300 pounds. Sorry, 6000. So total price of this cart of the product is AC plus battery. The cost is 6000 pounds, and the 5% of 6000 is 300. But what we want is the AC installation is only linked with AC, right? I don't want to calculate the 5% based on some other product. So how we can configure that? So there is a field called percentage of total category. So what you can do, you can define a category in the AC installation, and same category you can define here, and then the AC installation price calculation will be based on the category. Okay, if the category is not there in this product, then the calculation will not take this as a total of the cart price. It will actually exclude this particular product. It will only take the sum of the product which have the same um, uh, percentage of total price. Okay, category. So now what I can do, I can just quickly go here, AC installation, and the field, let me click edit, and there's a field called percentage of total category here. Okay, so actually before making this video, I was trying to do this hands-on, and this AC pick list value was not coming. So to add that, what I have done, I went to object manager. Okay, and I go to the product, and in the product, the field called percentage of total category. You have to go there. This is a manage package field, and then there I have added this new pick list value. So I'm choosing percentage of total category as AC on the AC installation. Okay, as well as I can choose the same field in AC. So I have to choose the same category, percentage of total category on the product from which you want to calculate the percentage of total, and on the product which is basically going to show you as a percentage of total. So I have to go to details, edit, and then here I have to give the category called AC. Now click save. Now if I refresh this page, and again if I will add the product called AC and AC installation and some other hardware product, let me add AC, and if I will add any other product called any random product, save. So now you can see that the price is only 50 pounds. The AC installation price is only 50 pounds. Now because now the calculation is only happening based on the category. 10 kWh battery does not have the category called AC. Okay, and the AC installation is configured to calculate 5% on the product which have this AC category available. Okay, because this AC have this particular category that we have configured on installation price, that's why this price is only coming as 50 now. um, there are some other field that you should know. There's a, if I will click edit, okay, there are some other field as well, the percentage of total base. Okay, so if you want to calculate the price on a particular type of pricing, if you want to calculate the price on based on the list price, then you can choose this. If you want to calculate the price on the net price, so this percentage, right, the percentage that you have provided on the AC installation, that percentage, if you wanted to calculate on list price, so when I'm saying list price is nothing but, you can see this list unit price. If you want to calculate 5% of this list unit price, then you have to choose list price. If you want to calculate from the net pricing, which is here net unit pricing, then you can choose net unit pricing. Okay, another thing is percentage of total constraint. Okay, now there is a problem. If I go back to my code, and if let's suppose that, let me go to the AC and change the price first. If the price of the AC is, let's suppose, is is 5,000 pounds. Okay, and on AC installation, we have configured that the AC installation charge will be the 5% of AC product. Okay, so 5% of 5,000 is 500 pounds, which is really more. 500 pounds is equals to 50,000 rupees. So the installation charges cannot be that much, right? 500 pounds is really too much. And you want that, okay, the calculation should be 5%, but the installation AC charges cannot be more than of 200 pounds. Okay, in that case, there is a configuration called is that percentage of total constraint. So if you will choose this, list price is maximum. List price is maximum. It means that the the price of the AC installation of any product cannot be more than 100 pounds. It will calculate the 5% calculation, but if the 5% calculation is more than 100 pounds, then it can maximum show 100 pounds of this product. The price of the product will be only 100 pounds, not more than 100. So let me go to the quotation again. Add product, and then here I can search AC. I'm adding both of them. Select. So here you can see the price of the AC is 5,000 pounds, and 5% of 5,000 pounds is 500 500, sorry, it's 5% is 250 pounds, right? 5% of 5,000 pounds is 250 pounds. But the price of the AC installation is coming only 100. Why? Because we have configured this field price of total percentage of total constraint field. Because we have configured this field list price is maximum percentage of total constraint. There are a few more fields, which is percentage of total target. If you want to target particular product to calculate this price, then you can also target that. And there's another field called exclude from the percentage of total. So let's suppose that let me go to the AC to understand this. Exclude from percentage of total. To understand that, I have to create another AC product. So for that, I have to clone this product. I can clone, and I can give the name as copy of AC. Copy of AC. And what I want is the calculation should not be based on this product. Okay, I want that calculation 5% of total should not include this particular product. So what I can do is I can go here, edit, and I can choose this field, exclude from the percentage of total calculation. I want to exclude this product from the calculation. And I can go to product, I can go to AC as well, and I can just reduce the price of the AC because 500. What I can do, I can just for that I have to go to edit this, and I can just reduce to 1000. Okay, and now I can go to the code again, refresh, and now I have to add all of these three products again. So adding AC. So copy of AC is still not coming. Why? I think the product is not configured correctly. So there's some issue, I guess. Let me see if there's any list price or not. Yeah, so list price is not there. That's why it's not rendering. So I'm just giving 1000. Now again refresh and try to add all of these three products here in the code line item. So clicking add product and search AC. Still not coming. So there is some issue. This is activate, copy AC. List price is also there. Now this product should render actually. Why is not coming? Let me try to add again. And now it's coming. So now I'm adding all of these three products. Maybe there was some cache issue. So here you can see still the price of the AC is 1000 and price of the AC installation is 50, which is 5% of only this 1000. Okay. However, the calculation should be based on 2000 because there are two other products and the total price of this two AC and copy AC is 2000. So it should be 100. Why it is only coming 50? Because we have excluded copy AC from this calculation of price of total. We have choose that checkbox, right? We have choose this particular checkbox. That's why this copy SE list unit price is excluded from the calculation. This is it. Before wrapping up this video, I would like to tell you that if you're preparing for the Salesforce interview and you would like to know the real-time scenario-based interview question, then you can just go and download this document. And don't forget to subscribe my